Namaskar. Greetings to all. We welcome you to this special update from Ground Zero, the construction site of Sai Ashraya's Super Speciality Hospital. Dear listeners, in this first status update from Ground Zero, surely the first of many to come, we present to you scintillating aerial photographs and footage from our construction site. Welcome aboard this flight that will take us all on a journey up above to help us capture in our hearts the incredible work that has been carried out by our team with great dedication at the construction site of our super specialty hospital, a temple of healing. That, dear listeners, was an update about all the incredible work that has been carried out on site. Let us all now go through a few slides that will highlight all the milestones that we've achieved right from the very beginning, from acquiring the land to where we are today. Dear listeners, even as we speak, the work is progressing at a rapid pace. The weekly Medicare camps to be conducted every Saturday afternoon for all the laborers at the construction site will commence soon. As planned earlier, we will be adopting about 30 villages in and around this hospital site. As part of the first few initiatives, we will be carrying out weekly Medicare camps in each one of these villages. Our state-of-the-art mobile Medicare units will play a vital role in helping us take loving and holistic Medicare to the doorstep of all the people. Dear listeners, even as we come to the conclusion of this first ever status update from our construction site, here is a moving experience. Even as all the laborers arrived at the construction site of our hospital to start work, our volunteers made sure that they spent quality time with them, making them feel at home. And this, dear listeners, has touched their hearts immensely. Today, all these people who are verily the heroes who are constructing this magnificent temple of healing come to us and tell us about how loved they feel and how happy they are to be part of one big family. Whenever our volunteers have interacted with them, it is always an instant outpouring of love from their hearts. They keep telling us, "Hamara hospital aane wala hai. Our hospital is coming up." Dear listeners, it gives us goosebumps each time we hear this sentence from them. The foundation of our hospital is being built on this pure love and selfless service. Dear listeners, let us all work together to realize this one dream that all of us share. One team, one dream. Thank you so much for tuning in, dear listeners. Namaskar. Jai Hind.